Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to care for colorful chicks. First, set up a warm brooder. Maintain a temperature of 95 degrees Fahrenheit for the first week, reducing it by 5 degrees each subsequent week. Ensure the brooder is draft-free and large enough for your chicks to move freely. Use absorbent bedding like pine shavings, but avoid cedar. Next, focus on nutrition and hydration. Provide a high-quality chick starter feed, typically containing 20% protein, for their first several weeks. Always ensure they have access to fresh, clean water in a shallow fount to prevent drowning. Change the water daily to maintain hygiene. Avoid medicated feed unless a vet specifically recommends it for your flock. Maintaining a healthy environment is crucial. Observe your chicks daily for any signs of illness, such as lethargy, ruffled feathers, or unusual droppings. Promptly clean the brooder to prevent the buildup of bacteria and ammonia, which can harm their respiratory systems. Handle your chicks gently and minimally to reduce stress and help them feel secure in their new home. As your colorful chicks grow, gradually reduce the brooder temperature by 5 degrees Fahrenheit each week until they are fully feathered. Begin introducing small amounts of new foods, like finely chopped greens, as they mature. Around 6 to 8 weeks of age, depending on the weather and their feather development, they will be ready to transition to an outdoor coop. Enjoy watching them thrive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.